Right now, sun's just shining and it is definitely beautiful. I am so glad. So totally there will be no rain for a short moment. This is the very beautiful habitat for many small species of birds around here. The lotus pond that has some water allowed some small warblers and some sort of waders such as the wood sandpiper or black steel, or even sometimes the jacana may always comes to visit and foraging around this place all the time. The bush is the well hidden place for some species of the Acrocephalus warbler, sometimes the oriental red warbler and the thick-billed red warbler may prefer to go and stay in those kind of habitat. Flocks of egrets flying down somewhere. They may looking for the place where they could forage. Right here, the lesser cuckoo just move out from somewhere and perch on this bush. He's preening. Lesser cuckoo is kind of very cute bird, but sometimes they're very shy. They normally hiding a lot. This common myna is the most common species in Cambodia, and you can almost find them in every habitat. So they kind of noisy birds. Overall brown with black head and also yellow bill with a mirror on the wings when it flies. The one in the front right there is the large-billed crow. This is the only one species here as well. Very easy to tell because we only have one right here. It seems to have very broad bill. He probably looking for something. There's another one standing in the middle of the rice field with water. Look like he is very thirsty, and he of course will pick up some drink. In the middle of this rice field, it is the wood sandpiper, spending its time alone in the middle of the very shallow water, edge of the rice field, looking for food. While at the background right here, we have the great myna, which is really different from the common myna we saw previously. They have the black body part and also black crest with very bright yellow bill. It's a beautiful crest as well. Right now, these two crows has come to join together. The one that used to be in the middle of the rice field with the water has come here. The yellow-bellied prenier is one of the most beautiful preniers among others. In this habitat, there are mainly two preniers that we normally see them. One is this yellow-bellied prenier and another one is the plain prenier. Right now, there are two lesser cuckoos are coming to stay together. One on the perch and another one seems to be on the plant. They seem having the conversation with each other.